Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable, compact charcoal grill that delivers authentic barbecue flavor without taking up too much space, then the Weber Compact 47cm portable charcoal barbecue might just be exactly what you need. Starting with the design, the Weber Compact 47cm is a classic design kettle style charcoal grill. It features a porcelain enameled bowl and lid, which means it's built to retain heat effectively while resisting rust, peeling, and cracking over time. The cooking grate measures 47cm across, which gives you about 1,735 square centimeters of grilling space. That is enough room for comfortable cook for 2 to 6 people, making it ideal for couple, small families, or modest gatherings with friends. At just about 9 kilograms, it is light enough to move around. The two weather-resistant wheels makes it easy to reposition on patios, balconies, or in the garden. Below the grill, there is a durable wire rack that adds extra storage space and stabilize the unit, while a built-in ash catcher below the fireball keeps your cooking area cleaner and makes disposable quick and easy. Weber includes their one-touch cleaning system in this model, which is a real-time saver. With a quick sweep of the lever inside the bowl, ash drops into a removable tray beneath. That means less mess, less time spent cleaning, and more time enjoying your food. Ventilation is controlled with aluminum air vents on both the bowl and lid, giving you precise control over airflow and temperature. You can do both direct grilling like burgers and sausages, and indirect cooking such as roasting large cuts or slow cooking vegetables. There are no built-in thermometer on this model, so if you are someone who need precise temperature reading, you will need to use separate grill thermometer. Once you get used to managing the airflow, it is surprisingly easy to control cooking temperatures just by adjusting the vents. Durability is a strong point. You get 10 years warranty on the bowl and lid and up to 5 years on other components. The handles are reinforced with glass-filled nylon to withstand heat and rough handling. The cooking grate is triple-plated for strength and easy cleaning. The whole unit has kind of solid, no-nonsense build quality you expect from Weber. This grill is the right choice for anyone who wants a no-compromise charcoal barbecue experience in a small or medium outdoor space. It is great for balcony use if allowed in your building, as well as a garden patio. It is perfect for people who value simplicity, durability, and the classic barbecue flavor. If you like to host occasional weekend cookouts or evening meals with family, this grill won't let you down. On the other hand, if you are a regular cook for large groups or want high-end features like built-in thermometers or integrated worktops, you might want to consider a large Weber model or a premium line. The Weber Compact 47cm charcoal barbecue is a tried and tested grill that focuses on the basics, and it does them very well. It is built to last, easy to clean, and give you excellent cooking control in a size that works for most households. Whether you are new to charcoal grilling or want a portable secondary grill to use alongside a gas unit, this is a dependable option that won't disappoint you. This Weber Compact 47cm charcoal barbecue deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed